Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Glittery Vibes. Today we'll see how to make Kaadha, also known as the immunity booster drink. I am sure you all have your own recipes for Kaadha, but do try this recipe as this not only boosts your immunity but also has a lot of medicinal properties. So let's get started. For this, you need fresh Tulsi leaves for about 15 to 20 and fresh lemongrass. Wash them thoroughly. Now in a pot add 5 glasses of water and add the washed tulsi leaves and the lemongrass to it. For all the medicinal properties or information related to the ingredients used in this Kaadha, please do visit the description box below. Add 2 to 3 cardamom pods. Some cloves, about 7 to 8, few small cinnamon sticks, half teaspoon of black pepper. Now to add some sweetness, you need to put 2 teaspoon of jaggery. You can completely avoid this and use 1 teaspoon of honey while drinking the Kaadha. Now ground all these spices and add into the pot. Now add half an inch of ginger paste to this Kaadha and remember to stir it and boil this mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes thoroughly. Boil this mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes until and unless the 5 glass of water reduces for approximately 3 glass of water. That is approximately half of the quantity of water used. Once it gets boiled for about 20 minutes thoroughly, then close the lid and again simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Your Kaadha is ready. Now strain it through a strainer and remember to drink this Kaadha hot. You can have this Kaadha for about 2 times in a day and boost your immunity. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy. Until next time, stay tuned.